Okay, so today for sight words, we're going to be playing our train game. So this game works by we see a word, we read the word, and then we go all the way back to the first word and we read through them again. Okay, let's see. The first word is look. Saw. So now we're going to go back. Look, saw. Very. Look, saw, very. Put. Look, saw, very, put. There. Look, saw, very, put, there. Out. Look, saw, very, put, there, out. And we have a bonus word. When. Can you read them all? You try. My turn. Look, saw, very, put, there, out, when. All right, one more time. Let's read all the words as we see them. Look, saw, very, put, there, out, when. Great job. Now you're going to do your sight word detective sheet. On this sheet, you are going to look at the picture underneath the box. You're going to use the beginning sound of that picture to fill in the letter that belongs in the box. Once you have all the letters, try and read the word. It will make up all of the sight words we learned this week. Then down at the bottom, you're going to write a sentence using one or more than one of your sight words. You can draw a picture in the box to match. Have fun!